In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to fix the Instagram push notifications not working. So this is a problem some people may experience, and this is not particularly um, an Instagram bug, but this is something that happens with a lot of apps. And I currently have it with my Outlook app for my school mail. But if it's for your Instagram, then there might be two problems, because the first problem might just be that your notifications are just turned off out of nowhere. So currently it says notifications off, so all you have to do is just allow notifications. But the second method there is, as I said, I have that glitch or bug with Outlook where my notifications are turned off, and when I go to the app, there is no notification option. And I don't know why this is a thing, that it will just disappear out of nowhere. But basically, to fix this, you just have to reinstall the app. So if your notifications are not showing up here, just like it doesn't for my Outlook app, but for you maybe on Instagram, then you might just as well just have to reinstall Instagram fully, and then your notification settings will appear right there again. And as I said with right here, you just have to turn them on just like that. So I hope this video can fix it and help you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.